how to reduce your VAT legally. Today I'm going to talk about 5 ways you can reduce your VAT in the UK legally. Number one, if flat trade scheme. If your business turnover during the year less than 150k, you can register for flat trade scheme where you cannot claim any input VAT, but you can pay a reduced rate of VAT rather than paying 20% of your sale, depending on your what kind of business type you are. There's a different rates for different business. Zero rated supply or zero rated sale. So for example, if you do a business for kids clothing, you don't need to pay VAT on sale. However, you can claim VAT on the running expenses you have. VAT cash accounting. If your business turnover is in a year less than 1.35 million, you can actually register for cash accounting VAT scheme, and where you don't need to pay when you raise sale invoice. You don't need to pay VAT straight away when you raise your VAT, rather than when you actually receive money, you pay the VAT. And similarly, you claim the VAT when you pay for something. So this scheme helps you on your cash flow. Number four, mixed sales. If you sell something zero rated and the standard rated, for example, a off license shop, sell some goods which is completely zero rated, and you sell something which is reduced rate, or you sell something which is a standard rate. If you don't need to pay for VAT for everything you sell on 20%, so you can actually use something called scheme D and to apportion your sales, then pay VAT. To get it correct, I'm gonna suggest you to discuss with your accountant so they will get it right. Final one, which is important one, claim all allowable expenses where you can claim VAT. So most of the people don't know exactly what to claim. So what is business expenses? There's lots of things you can claim and put VAT. For example, you have a lease business car, which is operating lease, and you're paying £1,000 of lease payment per month. On that lease payment, 50% of worth of the payment you make, you can actually claim VAT on it. So this is the 5 simple ways, but there's lots of other ways. So please discuss it with an accountant or consultant to get more ideas how can you save VAT.